Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get some Duolingo coupon codes in 2022. This probably won't be available for a really long time, so if you're really new to this, if you are among the first to watch this video, then you're lucky. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos uploads that will show you how to get this code. So now, without wasting any second, let me show you what you need to do. Okay, so go to your default browser and here search Duolingo promo codes 2020, and then really important, tab Reddit, because here people will communicate and they'll share with each other codes, promo codes for Duolingo. So now here so okay, you can look for in Reddit, and I found this one, and they're communicating, they're talking about how you can use the code. So let me show you. So look, I figure out both codes work for me. I found the loophole lol at first. After you have turned on your Vietnam VPN connection, so you have to use a VPN from with the location Vietnam connection. The promo code will not work as you've already experienced, but once you complete a lesson on the Vietnam connection, then try redeem the promo codes. Both of the codes should go through 100 gems, and now the code is around here, somewhere here, but you can try this code with the Vietnamese location VPN. Okay, using a VPN. You can try without, see if it works. If it doesn't, try with a VPN. And then we have this code as well I found on Reddit. Okay, and I found another one here. Okay, as I said, guys, just join this community Duolingo and look for codes. Okay, you can like Control F. Okay, Control F, and here write like Duolingo codes. Okay, so you don't have to, it will show you, it will highlight for you. Okay, so I have this code and the other one. So that's the video for you guys. I hope this video provides you value. I hope you found value in this video. See you guys now on the next one. Take care and see you